Glyptodon, or Glyptodon clavips, is a genus of glyptodont, an ancestor of armadillos. Inspired by these tenacious creatures and their weird but cool defense mechanisms, GLYD is revolutionizing the self-protection industry. But what are glyptodons, and how did they inspire our incredible products? Their scientific name means grooved or carved tooth. The name reflects their tooth structure, which is similar in function to cows and horses, although glyptodon teeth had no enamel. These teeth grew throughout the glyptodon's entire life and were constantly worn down by the tough grasses, small scrubs, and occasionally the insects that comprised their diet. Tooth armor tested pretty bad with our focus groups though, so we're ignoring this. Skulls had deep lower jaws that supported muscle attachments which helped them process fibrous plant material. Glyptodons had a reduced nasal passage with their own muscle attachments, which some have theorized were used to support a proboscis, similar to that found in tapirs and anteaters, but their purpose is ultimately unclear. Our products don't have anything to do with this yet because, what the hell would we do with that? Glyptodons most likely relied on their robust armor to defend themselves against the predators of their time, which included Smilodon, Homotherium, direwolves, terror birds, and, towards the beginning of the Holocene, humans. Despite their similar look to turtles, they were very different. Glyptodon was a mammal and could not retract its head into its shell, which was not a shell at all, but a collection of over 1,000 small bony deposits called osteoderm. This armor covered its entire backside, part of its limbs, neck, and head. This aspect of the Glyptodon is what our products will be focusing on. Mirroring the hexagonal osteoderm patterning of these creatures' armor, we are designing a range of body protection gear that is externally rigid while comfortably affixing to your body. As Glyptodons had no armor covering their underbelly, it was very vulnerable, especially if exposed. Our armor similarly doesn't cover your belly, so please don't let yourself get tipped over. Glyptodon tails were also heavily armored and had additional body rings, which made them strong but allowed for generous mobility. It is speculated that Glyptodons use their tails as a defense against predators and as weapons in intraspecies competition. Glyptodons could be found in what is now South America, as well as in parts of North America. Glyptodon eyesight is considered to be relatively poor, and they were probably colorblind and sensitive to bright light. Their eyesight was probably used at twilight, at night, in burrows, or under the dense canopies of the rainforest, where the light wasn't too harsh. This rainforest habitation has inspired our totally rad green color palette. Although Glyptodons only reached a height of about 5 feet, they could be up to 11 feet tall and weighed more than 2 tons. Their quadrupedal stance and fused vertebrae helped support their mass, and their short limbs allowed them easy access to the grasses they grazed on. Glyptodon lived from the Pleistocene to the early Holocene. They are believed to have gone extinct due to a combination of climate change and being hunted by early humans. Whoops! Like other megafauna, Glyptodons probably had a large impact on the ecosystem. Glyptodons would continually pack down the sediment they walked on, which kept the grasslands they lived in alive. In their absence, small shrubs could grow into trees, completely altering the environment. Customers can channel the spirit of the Glyptodons by trampling shrubs as they skateboard off-road. But enough of this sciencey stuff. In order to promote this exceptional product, we've put together an exceptional ad campaign. Check it out!
Look cool and stay safe with Glypto-armor, the newest invention from GLYD. Glypto-armor is made of cushy yet breathable material and has skid guards where it matters most. Glypto-armor is perfect for your longboarding and scootering adventures. Guarantees that you'll stay safe and stylish while you ride. Don't believe me? Believe this very real customer.
My son used to be such a flop. He would fall all the time and was so unstylish. I can finally be proud of him now that he wears GLYD Glypto-armor. He looks like less of a loser now.
Pick up your own Glypto-armor at a Walmart near you and see what everyone's talking about. Or call now, and for 5 easy payments of $59.99, we'll throw in our newest feature, the Glypto-tail 3000. You can use it to defend from predators, assert social dominance, and settle mating disputes.
Ha! I wish I had one of those when Jeff from accounting was trying to steal my wife.
What?
What a great product!
Yeah. So hurry! Order while supplies last.